Yeah, exactly.
You're cleared hot to blow up the blue bongo, over.
And you're clear whenever you're ready. Get line of sight. There you go. You're in zoom already, and whenever you're ready, you're clear. Firing. Roger. This is away. Good impact. Good impact. Target destroyed. Roger. Rolling.
Don't keep advised so we can get them away from population area. Over. What are you guys seeing around there? Is it not really close? I'm just cross-checking now and then. Is it really close to the freaking population?
What's the approximate distance to nearest collide? Over.
Roger, closest collide is a
200 meters.
maybe catch them in the middle of that. Shouldn't be any collateral.
I don't think we're going to have any collateral if we go along the road. We're observing them walking farther away from all collateral damage.
Roger, give me a good estimate on distance from that bigger group of collides.
They're about 200 meters from collide.
Right now we see nearest collide 200 meters.
At least. Probably more than that.
We are now 200 meters from the closest collide. Still staying in a tight group with their weapons, requesting the clearance fires. Over. We are clear to engage. Over.
We'll follow that road inbound to reduce collateral damage.
Be advised, we're going to get set up on a good inbound run to completely eliminate any collateral damage.
Clear fire.
Pause and gun. And firing.
Shoot again. One more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guys. 2 guys running down the water. Clear fire.
Clear fire. We're engaging.
If you can identify the fingers going to on the south side of that spur, counting from the first rocky finger, go 2 more back, and it should be in that location, that area there.
Gotta be.